Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, unlatch the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Identify the wireless module and remove the screw securing it. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to lift the module out of the system. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch and install the screw to secure the module. Relatch the front bezel and side cover to the device. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.